Not the first time I stand before a judge. We got a 1969 Pontiac GTO Judge, documented by Pontiac Historical Service. It was also born this beautiful Liberty blue with the blue interior. Now this car's been body off frame restored, has some upgrades on the exhaust and on the suspension, has vintage air, so it is an authentic, real GTO Judge with some nice upgrades. It is cool. I like everything about it. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can look at all the pictures top to bottom. That's where you'll find all the information and a price tag on every car we have for sale, along with a monthly finance payment as well. That's at volocars.com. Now make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. That way you're notified when the new videos are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, I'm a sucker for blue, and this has got a lot of blue, and it's got the hidden lights, and it's got the wheels I love with the red lines, and this is just, it checks all the boxes. So the body's been off the frame. The underbody of this car is amazing. The floors are pristine. The braces, all the metal is so smooth, and it's painted a gloss black. The floors are beautiful. The front end has been completely rebuilt. All the steering, suspension entirely redone. Rear suspension is completely upgraded. It has a new 4-link system with custom control arms, coil-over adjustable gas shocks. Pretty sure it has a sway bar back there too. I forgot to mention it has UMI lowering springs in the front. Custom dual exhaust. It's got the X pipe in the middle, fat, looks like it's at least 2.5 inch. It might be 3-inch exhaust. Sounds real good. You'll hear it towards the end of the video. The brakes have been completely redone. All the brake lines, hoses replaced, disc in front, e-brakes hooked up. Fuel systems replaced, nice new shiny gas tank, and the straps and all that good stuff is redone as well. You look up at the motor, it's spotless, it's clean, has a high torque starter. The transmission is a 1969 Turbo 400. It's clean, has an aluminum pan. In back, it has a 373 posi with the aluminum girdle rear end cover on it. Adds a little strength and keeps it a little bit cooler. So under this car is really cool, and like I said, has some nice improvements. So let's check out the body. The roof is pristine, coming down here, no issues. This is excellent. Gaps right on the money, smooth as Teflon right down to the bottom. Smooth, no bubbles, no issues. Nice and clean. Trunk is real nice. Part of the Judge was the rear spoiler. All beautiful, absolutely straight, clean, no bubbles, no rust, fits right. The rear window is crystal clear. I'm going to have to assume that's replaced. Stainless trim looks real nice, polished. So the body on this side, still real nice. No bubbles, no issues. Door lines up spot on. Fits real nice. Yeah, it's an excellent shape. The roof, all this is looking really good. This is all real nice looking here. Now there is something right here in the hood. There's like a line, I didn't want to call them bubbles. You have to kind of look for it to see it, but there is a row of something right here in the paint. Now this is Liberty Blue. It has the functional hood scoops here. It has a hood tachometer. Now the rubber bumper, that fits really nice. Has some hairline stress cracks. You're always going to get that, unfortunately, but there's no bumps on the nose here. There's none of that. So the bumper, I'm going to say, is in excellent shape. It fits beautifully. Has the hideaway headlights that I love. They're vacuum. They work. They're a little slow, but they work. The grills are in nice shape. Windshield is also new. So is the trim. Has the Judge striping. So the wheels, they're the new modern version of the Rally 2 wheel. I think they're 17 or 18-inch billet wheels with custom redline performance tires on there. I love that combination. I think that is slick. The window seals are replaced, weather strips are replaced. The rear bumpers re-chromed, tail lights are replaced. So you got a pretty hot looking car here. You got a lot more good stuff to show you. Let's open it up. All right, let's look in the trunk. Ooh, painted really nice. The latch looks new. Decals are new. The jam is painted slick. Weather strip is replaced. Inside is clean metal, spatter painted real nice. Got a matte. And you know what I'm impressed with? They bought a 5th matching wheel. These aren't cheap. This is one of the Billet Rally 2 wheels with the performance tire, and they bought a 5th one to match. Also looks like a new reproduction jack assembly. So everything's there. Complete, clean, and complete. This is a car that's going to turn heads. You're going to make people jealous with this one. Jams are real nice. Weather strips are new and fit real nice. Sill plates are replaced. Door panels look new and they fit nice. And the armrest and the window cranks, all that looks new. So the dash pad, the vents, the wood grain, all this is looking really nice. It's kind of dark, but it does have the rally gauges. It has a quartz movement clock. And then if you peek out over the dash, that's where the tachometer is, the hood tach. And again, all this looks like new. That's a retro stereo. Vintage air controls, so they're electric. All this is in really nice shape. The emblem, the vents, the levers down there. Okay, this is a plug-in for the radio, auxiliary plug. So nice new blue carpets with the GTO embroidered mats. This has a Hurst dual gate shifter in it. The console's in real nice shape. Didn't mention the tilt column with the walnut steering wheel. The seat cushions feel real nice. They've been reupholstered. Headrests are real nice. Trim all around the seats are all real good. Back seats excellent. Seat belts are real nice. Side panels, everything in back looks good. Headliner fits real nice. Looks new. The visors, the mirror look new. The dome light works. Yeah, real nice inside. All right, this is a correct, I think the code is YZ. That is the Ram Air 3400 engine, and it has the correct heads on it. But it's been upgraded with an aluminum high-rise intake and an Edelbrock carb with electric choke. Hiding behind there is an MSD ignition system. Got some nice, like vintage style finned aluminum valve covers. Got a set of headers down there. And again, vintage heat and air. Pulleys, the fan, the shroud, all that looks really nice. All up in front of the radiator looks real good. All the components, the water pump, the alternator, power steering pump, all that stuff looks new. Power brake system looks new. The wiper motor looks new. The squirters are hooked up. All the metal's painted up real nice. Nice motor. yeah, on so many levels, this is just an awesome car. The looks, the stance, the sound, the features, the stripes, loaded up with options. This is just a cool, cool car. Here comes the judge. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer whatever questions you still have. I can tell the car's lowered standing next to it. They can help you get it delivered to your door. They can help you finance it if you go to volocars.com. If you enjoyed the videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon and you'll be notified when the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.